Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I welcome
Good afternoon.
our newly joined students of MSc Hospitality Administration on behalf of the entire IHF family. We welcome all of you to your induction from orientation ceremony, which is being held virtually. I request all of you to put yourselves on mute, and we shall be starting with the video of the institute. Thank you.
Three best years of my life was Pusa. This college made us. I got a new identity from IHM Pusa.
With the number of years that has passed, I still feel the memory of the first day of going to the college till today is the same. If I go back to the college today, I still feel it is the thing.
नास्ति विद्या समो नास्ति विद्या समः सुहृद नास्ति विद्या समम वित्तम नास्ति विद्या समम सुखम। अर्थात विद्या जैसा बंधु नहीं, विद्या जैसा मित्र नहीं, और विद्या जैसा अन्य कोई धन या सुख नहीं। पूसा नमस्कार एवं शुभ विभाग का अध्यक्ष वृंद, शिक्षक गण हमारे साथ, सभी अभिभावक और हमारे पूसा परिवार में शामिल छात्रों को मैं मल्हार मोहपात्र और मेरी सहपाठी संजना वशिष्ठ पूरे संस्थान की तरफ से आज के इस वर्चुअल इंडक्शन कम ओरिएंटेशन 2020 में आपका स्वागत है। आप सभी से सविनय निवेदन है कि समारोह के दौरान अपने माइक को बंद रखें। आप अपने सवाल चैट बॉक्स के जरिए हमें भेज सकते हैं, जिनका संबोधन समारोह के अंत में निर्धारित प्रश्नोत्तरी काल में किया जाएगा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा।
हम चाहते हैं कि विद्यादात्री माँ सरस्वती का आशीर्वाद हम सब पर बना रहे। इसी विश्वास के साथ हम अपने परिवार के नए सदस्यों का स्वागत माँ सरस्वती की वंदना के साथ करते हैं। इस गीत की प्रस्तुति हमारी म्यूजिक सोसाइटी आसावरी द्वारा की गई है।
Ni sa re ga ma pa ga ma re ni re sa ni sa da ni sa re ga ma pa ga ma re ni re sa sa ma pa sa ma pa जयति जयति जय मातु सरस्वती चम चम चन्द्रमुकुटशोभतति जयति जयति जय मातु सरस्वती चम चम चन्द्रमुकुटशोभतति करवा में लीले करतले मृदङ्ग धर धर धदति गन्धा वीणपानधारे ददति गन्धा वीणपानधारे मा पद नि सा नि ध प म द प म ग सा नि सा मा पद नि सा नि ध प सा नि ध प म द प म ग म रे सा नि सा या कुन्देन्दु तुषारहार धवला या शुभ्रवस्त्रावृता या वीणावरदण्डमण्डितकरा या श्वेतपद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युतशङ्कर प्रभृतिभिः देवै सदा पूजिता सा मां पातु सरस्वती भगवती निशेषजाड्यापहा धीं तनन धीं तदियनादितदरि धनि धीं तनन धीं तदियना तरि धनि सा मा प सा मा प सा मा
Founded in 1962, the institute made a humble start in a small building. It shifted to the existing campus consisting of academic block, hostels, and staff flats between 1967 and 68. Beginning with hotel operations, it has over the years grown to incorporate areas from food and beverage to sales and human resource management and has increasingly stressed on entrepreneurial ethics. A pioneer of hospitality education in India, IHM Pusa ventured into the creation of a trajectory of the country's greatest hospitality talents. For the institute, it has decoded the science of hospitality and imparted the art of its management. Currently, the curriculum makes provision for quality hospitality education at master's, undergraduate, diploma, and certificate levels. The institute comes under the purview of Ministry of Tourism, Government of India, and offers these programs through National Council for Hotel Management and Catering Technology Noida and IGNOU New Delhi. The proper holistic development of a student takes place through various national and international competitions. Our students have, for 8 years now, represented India at the World Olympics of Skills with our understudies and faculty participating as contenders as well as judges. Recognized for its sustained efforts in crafting the Indian hospitality, IHM Pusa has been awarded many accolades. The Ministry's National Award for Excellence and Hall of Fame has been bagged consecutively by our students and faculty. The Global Human Resource Development Council magazine, The Week, The Outlook, and India Today, among others, have for years now reflected IHM Pusa as the premier institute. For decades together, the institute has sustained its place as the leading hospitality educator. It has turned thousands of young minds into trained experts of the trade. The greatest hotel and hospitality businesses across the world are led by Pusa alumni. Leveraging on the unique potential of a truly global alumni network par excellence, the college enjoys the special distinction of having the most robust and active alumni network. Dotted with corporate leaders from across the world, PIMA, the Alumni Association, works in close consultation with the college for better exposure for its students.
At PUSA dwells a culture of service and professional evolution with a touch of sustainable practices. A balanced combination gizelles the spirit of service among all. It is indeed a course through Vidya, Vriddhi, and Kaushal. With this, we welcome all the students to MSc Hospitality Administration. The Institute of Hotel Management, Catering and Nutrition, PUSA, has for decades been at the pinnacle of the hospitality industry. Such excellence has been made possible due to the dynamic leadership of our principal, Sri Kamal Kant Pant. Sri Pant took charge of the realms in 2017, bringing to his position years of expertise and experience sharpened over 30 years of hands-on practice. An industry veteran, Sri Pant has donned many hats as a chef, a trainer, an academician, and is seasoned in hotel and human resource operations and management. The MSc Hospitality Administration is indeed lucky, as it will be interacting with Mr. Pant in their classrooms, learning the nitty-gritties of academic excellence from the creme de la creme of Indian hospitality education. I would like to take the opportunity to invite our Honorable Principal Sir to share his words of wisdom for us. Sir, please.
Thank you, Mr. Malhar. You've been very kind with the introduction. Dear students, my dear colleagues, it's a pleasure for me to welcome you to this online induction and orientation program. I take the pleasure of welcoming you all on behalf of the management of this institution. Management of this institution is vested in the boards of governors, which is headed by the Honorable Secretary Tourism, Mr. Yogendra Tripathi ji. And Mr. Tripathi ji, under his chairmanship, there is a board of 14 members, which includes top bureaucrats from the central government, Delhi administration, and then some stalwarts of the Indian hospitality industry. So it's a pleasure to welcome you all. And MSc program, well, while IHM PUSA, as has been told by Ms. Sanjana, your senior final year student MSc, that the institution started its journey way back in 1962. And it's been more than 50 years that we have been graduating students with the 3-year degree program, and the diploma it used to be earlier. But the journey for the master's program, this graduate program that you have enrolled yourselves in, is not very long. You know, we are less than 2 decades into this experience. And I can't help but delve into how it all started. Probably the requirement at that time, because that was a time in 2002, 2003, that the hospitality industry was kind of expanding in a way. And with the expansion of the industry, there were many educational institutions coming up to cater to the needs of manpower for the expanding hospitality industry. And at that time, being a strategic follower of the Ministry of Tourism, it was onus on us to do something or to devise certain programs which filled the gap of grooming the educational faculty for the hospitality sector. And I think that is how it started, and it has served its purpose very well thus far. But what I feel is now it is the time that this MSc program that we have in IHM PUSA and at large at the National Council for Hotel Management, that we rediscovered this program and repositioned it so that, like the kind of recognition which is there for the undergraduate program, the BSc program of this institution, greater recognition should come through for our master's program. We understand that the kind of administrative setup that we have between the National Council and the Indira Gandhi National Open University, which is a big university, People's University it is called. University as it is are very bureaucratic structures, and it is very difficult to, it's a very big elephant, a mammoth it is. But hopefully in the days to come, hopefully we will have opportunities in which National Council and affiliated institutions, they do become institutions of national importance with the offer of, degree awarding capabilities. And with that, I feel a new shot in the arm will be available for upgrading the curriculum and the instructional strategy for this program. But unless that thing comes through, we cannot wait for that eventuality to take place. And management, as I had heard this a definition of management from some senior sometime back in my career, and he described management as something, it is like alchemy which transforms your resources into results. So whatever the resources that we have got, with its constraints and limitations, we will have to produce the best of the results. And I wish to challenge this incoming batch and the senior batch of MSc students that we have. In this program, we cannot take away the kind of curriculum which has been framed by IGNOU and by National Council, but then there is nothing which stops us to go beyond that, to go further and exercise, different kind of things in which we enrich the learning of our students. There are a number of programs. I was looking at the IHM PUSA's film. There are so many events which are there for the undergraduate programs, but at the skill level, we are talking in terms of psychomotor skill levels. There were cooking competitions, there were beverage appreciation competitions. But graduate program, our MSc program, in my opinion, is a program which is dealing with imparting intellectual skills to our students. And I feel we must have more and more events which are there displaying our intellectual skills. Maybe we can go beyond, invite other sister institutions under the National Council umbrella and make more and more visibility be there for this kind of a program. We are firm believer on consistent improvement. I firmly believe that today has to be better than what yesterday was, and the coming day has to be better than what today is. And I would like to appreciate Dr. Anshu Singh, who is the coordinator of the master's program here, and all her team who are thinking out of the box and taking all the pains to add value to this program day in and day out. So they have put together a battery of expert speakers in the induction program itself, and hopefully in the days to come, the kind of seminars that we organize in due course for our MSc courses, which are integral part of the curriculum itself, we make the reach wider, incorporate more people, external members also, and take that one to a new level. I'm sure there is something in the environment in PUSA which brings the best out of the people. And I hope, in the days to come, it should go, even further than that. So I would not like to take you away from the things which are lined up for the remaining day. But one last thing I would like to say before I say goodbye is that you being the senior most people in the institution, right? Like the eldest child in the family, that is the kind of role we would like or we expect you to play. You are the kind of example which the undergraduate students and the diploma students and other students should be following in terms of grooming, in terms of your behavior, in terms of your conduct. That is what we want everybody to look up to you. And I have the pleasure of interacting with you as a faculty also. I try to make it a point that at least for one subject, I'm available to you. When you are heading the institution, there are certain pressures Sometimes, you are not in a position to give your 100%. Sometimes it is not even possible to be present there. But in the past, the outgoing batches and the current batch, they have been kind enough to cooperate with me, bear with me, and still do some learning in the areas which were there. So I think we have got wonderful things to look forward to. I am sure, like in the past, we would be having some people who have had experience of working in the industry, people who may be running their startups, maybe working from their homes, and a lot of varied kind of an experience which will be coming to the table. And I would like to tell one thing, that every year, interacting with you is a learning experience for us faculty as well. And I'm looking forward to that experience in the days to come. Before I say goodbye, may God bless you always, and may God give you strength to make PUSA known for its master's program as well. May this program become very visible, and brand PUSA becomes bigger and greater in the days to come. May God bless you. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir, for illuminating our paths with your thoughts. I'm sure it will resonate with the 2020 to 22 batch of MSc Hospitality Administration. On this joyous note, I take the opportunity to welcome our illustrious heads of the departments to introduce themselves. May I please request Dr. R.K. Gupta, sir, to please introduce himself.
Sanjana, I believe sir is a message to the chat box that he is rather occupied. He is conducting an exam. So we shall move forward with Mrs. Meenakshi Singh. Now, if you may please. Thank you.
Good afternoon. Thank you so much. Dr. R.K. Gupta is slightly busy because we have on the other side happening the exams, also the practical exams happening. And most probably he will be joining us after some time in between, whenever he finds the time to actually welcome you all. Well, on behalf of IHM PUSA, I'm extending my heartfelt welcome to you all and congratulating for gaining that admission to the MSc program that we have. And as per the things that the MSc program is something that everyone looks forward to get an insight more about the management part and the marketing part of it. So let's hope that you will all be here gaining that knowledge, as well as, of course, with all the different types of workshops and other webinars that we will be having in the institute, you will be getting the exposure also in terms of the management component of the hospitality or any other HR departments that we might be talking about. I'm Meenakshi Sumbli, welcoming you all, and will always be feeling proud that you will settle finally in lives and be somewhere where we can say, yes, they happen to be our alumni. Welcome. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Nimisha Seth. I take care of the F&B department, F&B service department as the head of department, and also additionally handle the charge of all the government-run programs or projects for IHM PUSA. I would like to take this opportunity to firstly extend a warm welcome to all of you and a big congratulations for becoming part of the PUSA family today. I would just like to put in one word of advice. Take these 2 years as an enhanced learning experience. Try to utilize your time very well. You have limited number of hours as per the schedule, but there's so much more that you can learn by different kinds of exercises, projects, by doing workshops, by doing small time courses, etc., in which you can actually enhance the skills the skill set and the knowledge that you have already come with. So once again, I'd like to welcome each one of you to the PUSA family. Thank you.
Thank you, Meenakshi ma'am. Thank you, Nimisha ma'am. Now I would like to invite our revered ICC chairperson and hostel warden to introduce themselves to our new PUSAites.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Dr. Anshu Singh. I'm having a charge of MSc coordinator also, plus I'm on behalf of Mamta Bish ma'am right now taking care as an internal complaint committee is in charge. So I just initially will give you a brief of ICC, then we'll go to master's program. So regarding ICC students, it's a committee as instructed by Supreme Court of India complaint committee. This committee take cares of any complaint that is coming, though it is for both the genders, but especially any harassment happening to female gender. So this committee take cares that there should be prohibition, there should be prevention and readdressing any complaints coming. So just take care because you are from the age of social media. Be careful whatever you are texting, you are putting on the groups. Do take care because these are essential things. Anytime it can act negatively, other person can feel uncomfortable. So be conscious about it. And I just want to reassure that IHM PUSA has zero tolerance for these aspects. So please take care that whatever you are doing, think twice before doing that. So we have a committee having headed by Madam Mamta Bish. The team member include myself, Madam Meenakshi Sumbli, Madam Nimisha Seth, Dr. R.K. Gupta sir. We have Ms. Manju Pala from administration. We have Mr. Rakesh Kumar from administration. And one member is an external member, that is Ms. Roma Dev Pratra. She is an external member who is there in the committee. So any issue that comes up, we take it very seriously and solve in the best of the manner. So just giving you a brief that this is a committee that is there. So everyone should be conscious, whatever they're doing. Thank you so much. And I'll talk to you in a short while again. Thank you.
Well, very good afternoon to all of you. I'm Sakshi Sharma. I will be assisting Anshu ma'am in the MSc program. And along with this, I'll be also taking the responsibility of girls hostel warden. I welcome you all to IHM PUSA. I just wish that you people learn to the maximum over here because PUSA has n number of opportunities for your growth and for your development. Once again, welcome to IHM PUSA family.
Thank you, Anshu ma'am. Thank you, Sakshi ma'am. IHM PUSA is proud to be a ragging-free campus, and we have a vigilant anti-ragging committee for the welfare of all our students. We are sharing the numbers of the anti-ragging committee head in the chat box, and the committee members are Ms. Aarti Ghai, Mr. Vipul Singhal, Mr. Anand Kumar, Ms. Sakshi Sharma, and Mr. Ronak Arora. As we reach the culmination of the virtual induction cum orientation ceremony, we request the students and their guardians to kindly put forth their queries in the chat box, which will be addressed by our team.
I would like to welcome the students as an MSc coordinator now. I just told
Sure.
about the ICC aspect, but right now I congratulate each one of you to join IHM PUSA. A small request to all of you to be punctual and having a good time management, because these two things are going to take you heights and heights. These two are very important things that you have to take care, students. And we usually interact with you all on the WhatsApp group. Whatever you have query, please put that. We'll be formulating a group. We would be interacting through emails and these groups. So be alert on whatever is coming through it. And we have organized in near future somewhere around 12 webinars. We started MSc Final in the month of August, and your seniors have done a very good job in organizing these webinars, and it was very fruitful. You can have a word, and we'll have in near future ice-breaking sessions with your seniors, so that you know what is all about PUSA, because it would be have been your dream joining PUSA, and you will feel, yes, we have reached PUSA and this is what PUSA is. So I congratulate once again. God bless you, and you'll have wonderful session ahead, I can assure you. God bless you all. Thank you. Thank you, Sanjana. Over to you.
Thank you, ma'am. So now, since we do not have any questions as of now, we will still be open for queries for all students of the incoming batch. Now I hand over to Malhar.
Thank you, Sanjay. With this, we come to the end of the induction ceremony. I take the opportunity to thank Principal Sir, the heads of the departments, and the faculty members for gracing the occasion. I thank our virtual audience for their active engagement. Let us end this August occasion with a prayer for the well-being of everyone. Sarvesham swastir bhavatu, Sarvesham shantir bhavatu, Sarvesham purnam bhavatu, Sarvesham mangalam bhavatu. सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामया सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्. Thank you. Have a good evening. I request all of you to join back with the same link by 3:20 p.m. for the forthcoming sessions. See you again.
Thank you. Thank you all. Looking forward to see you. Best wishes.